here for the launch of my third book. Many Therapy Volume 3, Coloring and Affirmations for Kids. This book is really special. I've been working on it for a very long time, and finally I can see the end product looking absolutely how I imagined it to be.
Every morning I think I'm going to read this first and then go to my son. So there's a ritual between me and my son where before entering school we talk to each other. I think this book is a blessing because it's filled with the most beautiful affirmations which are going to do so well for their confidence, for them to have a more positive perception throughout the day. So I also believe that the person is so much like transferred to the book. As the soul, as a person, she's beautiful, and so is the book with the most amazing affirmations, most amazing coloring options. There are pages left open for the book children to write their thoughts, to scribble their thoughts if that is what they want to do. There is so much freedom that the book gives them, wherein it also holds their hand and tells them what they should be feeling, but then they have pages ahead to also say and express what they feel after reading this.
Hi, Tanvi, super big hug and congratulations on your third Umeni Therapy book. You know, I've loved your previous two, and this third one looks so good. I think all our kids need to start believing that they're superhumans. All of us know that we're superhumans, but when we're kids, all the other kids around, peer pressure makes you believe otherwise. But I think this book, full of coloring and affirmations, will really help kids believe that they're kind, they're brave, they're honest, they're sincere, they're hardworking, they're everything. And I think the power of affirmations is real. So thank you so much for this book. I can't wait to color it myself. I've got your first two. I'm definitely getting this third one.
It's a great masterpiece, great creation by Tanvi, a very noble act towards upliftment of positive mental health in children. Many congratulations.
From sportsmen to athletes, I've seen all of them mumbling and, affirming all the time before they go out in the field. And that's when the idea for Umeni Therapy for kids happened, I think, a couple of months back. And here we are, and we're going to launch Tanvi's third book. We're very excited.
I believe it is important that kids today build a solid foundation of self-esteem, self-love and self-care. And hence, Tanvi has done it again. She's come up with this new book for kids.
I'm so glad that there's a book with coloring and affirmations for kids. I'm wishing Tanvi the very best for it.
This is a powerful tool which can shape child's future.
We as parents always want to instill these affirmations in kids, and what best way than to get them involved directly. Kids love to color, and I think this is the best way to instill these affirmations in them.
This is a coloring book for kids with positive affirmations. I love the idea of using this as a positive reinforcement for my child, like a morning mantra every morning, 1 page a day, which will help him boost his confidence and not care about the negativity around him.
Because of the exposure to social media, there are a lot of times when kids get into negativity, maybe what they're seeing on the internet or whatever their friends tell them. So by this book, I think the kids will be confident enough when they say these words: I am confident, I am brave, I love myself. So this is a very good way of teaching kids positive and self-affirmation for themselves. And by drawing and writing those things and by sticking those pictures, I think they'll be more comfortable and they'll be able to link more to what they're saying and seeing. So I think this book is a very good book for children, and everybody should go for it.
In today's world, we see a lot of kids just engrossed with phones and iPads, and they're very into the digital world. So something like this is going to be really helpful for them to actually get their artistic side out, as well as it's got so many positive affirmations that is going to make their life a lot more better, and they will be able to understand these things at a very early age, and keep we could as parents emphasize this on them with the help of this book. And I think it's going to work very well for their overall holistic development. And I think it's a fab idea she's come up with. I just love it. I mean, it's so cute. The pictures, the affirmations are just lovely. So great job, Tanvi.
The positivity that you've put in this book is commendable. I mean, each page has a story in it, and both my kids are going to love doing that. Every day they're going to take up one, and each affirmation for the day and coloring. The book would be something that even I'm looking forward to. I was just scrolling through your book and I felt positive already reading and scrolling through it. So I can imagine the kind of energies you have put in, and I'm sure my kids are going to enjoy. All the best and lots of success to you.
It's all about affirmations. It talks about so many thoughts and positive ideas. When children are born, we all are told that think positive, do things that are going to impact your child's betterment. And this book is a continuation of that.
I can really tell you, I was just browsing through the book and it is just fantastic. For all you mothers out there who are looking for a gadget-free time for their children, and apart from that, affirmations, something that really works wonders with children. We really don't even realize, but they are really learning, they are believing in themselves, and what better way to color and use the affirmation together.
So Tanvi has done this in her book. She has combined affirmations with colors, and since my daughter is into a lot of doodling and colors, so she will definitely enjoy this book. And I congratulate Tanvi for bringing up this book for kids. And the beautiful part is she has these pages wherein kids can write through their experiences after every affirmation, and she has also stickers at the end, which is a very good thing for my daughter.
It is really wonderful for the kids, and has such cute cartoons, and I believe that kids would really enjoy painting and coloring and writing their own cute little affirmations.
I spent the last 6 months trying to research on the kind of designs I wanted to put in the book and the kind of affirmations I wanted to put in the book, because they had to be easy for the kids to understand and remember and use in their daily lives. And I think this is such a wonderful practice. I wish we had this when we were younger, but now that our kids have it, I don't want to lose any chance to not talk about it often, because a strong self-esteem for kids goes a really long way, and this is coming from a therapist, not just a mom.
Everyone, go grab your copy. Trust me, you're gonna do justice to yourself and your kids.
Go grab your copy today.
Please go grab your copy.
Go buy a copy for yourselves.